Hey everyone! Welcome to the LifeThoughtsCamera YouTube channel. In today's video, I will be reviewing the Sally Hansen Insta-Dri Nail Color in the shade Clearly Quick and tell you how it exactly worked out for me. I'll also be sharing some of my tips and tricks from which you will get the most out of any nail color coat that you use. About the brand. Please do check out my previous video. I have given all the details. Click on the eye icon on the top right side corner to view my previous video. Where did I buy it from? I bought it from an online store called Nykaa. It is a third-party website and they ship all over India. Check out the description box for the shopping link. Don't forget to check out all my nail art and nail care related videos. It is a must-watch for beginners. Product packaging. The Insta-Dri comes in a glass bottle that feels pretty sturdy. The top part is a black color plastic twist cap to which a clear bristle brush is attached. Cost and lifespan of the product. The cost of the product is 349 rupees for a 9.17 ml quantity and it has a lifespan of 3 years from the date of manufacturing. Claims of the product. On the packaging, it mentions Insta-Dri. On the official website, it mentions Insta-Dri 3-in-1 formula for 33% long wear and chip resistance versus old formula. Is formulated with a base and top coat for extended wear and full coverage, streak-free and shine. Express dry in 60 seconds. The ingredients. Nothing is mentioned on the packaging. How many shades and sizes are available? They come in 69 shades and as for the size, it comes in only 9.17 ml quantity. How to store this product? It is best to keep it away from direct sunlight. Personally, I store mine inside our cupboard. If you're interested in clear nail polish, then you have to check out this playlist of mine. They're all the clear shades of nail polishes that I have reviewed and will be reviewing in the future. How I apply this nail color. I have done a detailed video on how to apply nail polish like a pro at home. Please click the eye icon on the top right side to view the video. Since this is a clear polish and fast dry, I sometimes also use it as a quick dry top coat. So also check out my video how to properly apply top coat. My experience with the product. Is this cosmetic a safe beauty? Since I'm not certified nor an expert, I rely on sources that provide me with answers. So I first hop over to EWG website and check if this product has been tested by them. EWG has rated this product a 5 out of 10. Check the description box for the link. Packaging. I really love the packaging, especially the shape and size of the bottle. How does it dispense? It is a basic twist cap that has a brush attached to it. The fragrance of the cosmetic. Before I start this point, I just want to mention that I have fragrance allergy and I'm not done a patch test yet, but I do keep getting affected when I come upon something with fragrance. This nail polish has a strong acetone smell, but it does not linger for too long after application and I'm completely okay with the fragrance. Consistency. The nail polish is not too thick or clumpy. It has a nice liquid consistency that is perfect for nail polish. Application. It's pretty basic. The application is quite smooth and gives a thin layer finish. Quality of the bristle. It is a classic tapered brush. Swatch of the nail polish. This is a clear color nail polish. If I have to be very specific, I would say it is a clear color nail polish that has a very mild glossy finish. Pigmentation. Since it is a clear polish, pigmentation does not come into picture. Travel friendly. It is a very travel friendly product as it is small in size and the bottle is also not fragile. Checking the claims by the brand. Pros and cons. It is a bit costly. It is very travel friendly. It comes in a sturdy glass bottle. It has 3 years of lifespan from the date of manufacturing. No logo is printed on the packaging. I also did not find anything mentioned on their website. It is easily available for me. EWG has given this product a 5 out of 10. It is not fragrance free and the smell does linger for a while after application. These are my top 5 videos of the year 2020. Did you check them out yet? Links to all the 5 videos are mentioned in the description box. My rating. I rate this product a 3. It loses some points because this product is not completely a safe beauty product. And I don't think that it is cruelty free either, as I did not find anything mentioned. Ease of usage, I'm going to give it a 4. Storage and maintenance also gets a 4. Travel friendly, again a 4. Value for money, I'm going to give it a 3. And the overall rating is a 3. Will I buy this product again? So far, this is the better version of the product that I've found in the market. Until I find something that ranks higher, I won't mind buying this product again. If you're interested in lifestyle, do check out my other videos. Now, don't forget to thumbs up, and if you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe and then hit the bell icon to receive all notifications. Bye!